Hello, beautiful crochet lovers, and welcome back to another inspiring collection of stunning handmade fashion designs. Today, we are diving into a world of creativity, elegance, and timeless beauty as we showcase some of the most breathtaking crochet designs that are truly made with passion, skill, and artistic vision. Crochet is not just about creating clothing. It is about turning simple threads into masterpieces. Every stitch tells a story, every pattern reflects creativity, and every finished design represents patience, dedication, and love for handmade fashion. As we begin this beautiful journey together, prepare to discover unique crochet styles that combine modern fashion with classic, handmade craftsmanship. Our first collection features elegant crochet dresses, designed to bring out confidence, beauty, and sophistication. Notice the fine details in every stitch, the smooth texture, the carefully chosen colors, and the incredible patterns that make each dress stand out. These designs are perfect for special occasions, casual outings, vacations, or simply expressing your unique fashion style. Handmade crochet fashion has a special charm that machine-made clothing can never truly replace. Moving on to our next collection, we have beautifully crafted crochet tops and blouses. These designs are stylish, comfortable, and perfect for every season. Whether paired with jeans, skirts, or shorts, crochet tops bring a fresh and fashionable look that never goes out of style. Take a closer look at the creativity behind every pattern. From floral-inspired designs to modern geometric shapes, from soft pastel shades to bold and vibrant colors, every piece reflects true artistic expression. Next, we explore stunning crochet cardigans, jackets, and outerwear pieces. These designs combine warmth, comfort, and elegance all in one beautiful creation. The layering possibilities are endless, making crochet outerwear a must-have for fashion lovers. What makes crochet truly special is the freedom to create something unique, something personal, something that carries your own style and personality. For those who love creating, may these designs inspire your next project. For those who love fashion, may these collections help you discover new style ideas. And for everyone watching, may this beautiful art continue to inspire creativity in your everyday life. Which design captured your heart today? Was it the elegant dresses, the stylish tops, the cozy cardigans, or the intricate handmade details? Share your favorite in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed beautiful crochet collections like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next inspiring crochet showcase. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of these beautiful crochet designs.